People see a laundromat and think it is free money. That quiet room is a brutal piece of utility infrastructure. It is a complex system of water, gas, and heavy metal. Every single wash cycle is slowly killing your investment. So forget everything you have heard about passive income. Let us begin with the single most critical decision. Your laundromat's success is decided within 1 mile. 87 to 90% of customers live right there. They are renters in older buildings without their own hookups. If that neighborhood lacks density, you are already dead. You are not buying machines but a lease on community. This is not retail business, it is a real estate play. Now let us shatter the myth of cheap startup cost. Building from scratch easily costs between $200,000 and $500,000. A standard commercial washer runs $3,000 to $7,000. Do the math on 30 machines and panic a little. That is nearly $200,000 just on washing machines. Then you need plumbing for industrial-grade water flow, and massive gas lines for hungry, thirsty industrial dryers. By opening day, you are deep into six-figure territory. This is not a side hustle but serious capital investment. Then the real expenses begin the moment you turn on. Your largest variable cost will be the utilities by far. Water, sewer, and gas will devour 30% of revenue. Imagine writing a check for $6,000 every month. That is just to keep the lights and water flowing. And gas prices are volatile, spiking without any warning for you. You cannot raise your vend price fast enough to keep up. Think of every utility bill as tax on cycles run. But that is nothing compared to slow, constant destruction happening. Your machines are grinding themselves into the ground daily. The main drum bearings face extreme stress during high spins. They wear down, wobble, and eventually tear themselves apart. This is not an if scenario, but a when scenario. You will have a repair bill of $1,500 monthly. Experienced owners budget 5% of revenue just for replacement. They know equipment failure is scheduled expense, not crisis. Something is always breaking or approaching its end life. This constant maintenance is the real heartbeat of business. Now, how do you make money from this beautiful chaos? The core metric is something called turns per day. It measures how many cycles each machine runs daily. The industry average is about 3 turns per machine. A high-performing store can hit 4 to 6 turns. A drop of 1 turn across 40 washers is huge. That single lost turn costs over $64,000 yearly. Your machines must spin to survive and earn keep, so use off-peak pricing to smooth weekly traffic flow. This fills idle Tuesday machines without dropping weekend rates. Beyond self-service lies Goldman of Wash and Fold. You charge customers up to $2.50 per pound. The margins are higher because you are selling precious time. 51% of stores offer fastest-growing revenue stream. Now add commercial accounts like hotels, gyms, and hosts. They provide consistent off-peak volume, stabilizing your cash flow. Landing 3 accounts can fundamentally change your business economics. But you cannot collect cash if you are absent always. Completely unattended stores face more vandalism and customer complaints. They degrade faster because mechanical faults go unreported for days. The successful model is called semi-absentee for good reason. You use cameras to monitor your store from phone. You hire part-time attendant for busy weekend rush. You have repair technician on standby for inevitable breakdowns. You are not chained to building but not free. The biggest structural risk is not a broken machine. It is the lease you sign for the building itself. A laundromat is not portable, built into the walls. If landlord won't renew, you cannot move your business. You lose customer base because they live within mile. Rebuilding infrastructure at new location costs hundreds of thousands. This is why veterans demand 10-year lease with renewals. Without that security, you do not own a business. A volatile lease turns your investment into borrowed time. Let us run numbers on well-run 40-washer store. Gross annual revenue can be a healthy $400,000. After utilities, rent, labor, insurance, maintenance, you are solid. Your net operating income sits around $178,000. On $350,000 purchase, that is 51%. That is fantastic return, better than most investments available. But now look at brutal bad year scenario playing out. Utility rates spike 20% in year 2 commonly. A major machine failure costs $25,000 instead. A new competitor opens, dropping your machine turns by 20. Your gross revenue plummets to $346,000. With higher costs, net income drops to $103,000. That is $75,000 swing from good to bad. That volatility is the real risk you are absorbing. So what do the successful owners all share in common? They treat the passive income story as beautiful, incomplete lie. They obsess over their turns per day like a hawk. They chose their location with life or death seriousness. They secured their lease before a single dollar spent, and they cash-flowed machine replacements from day one. They saw investment for what it truly always was. It is a small-scale infrastructure business, pure and simple. It is not a dream but serious physical demanding job. But here is truth making it all worthwhile and end. People will always need to wash their clothes regardless. Your customers will return every single week without fail. And when built correctly, generates reliable cash flow for decades. It is resilient recession-proof engine hiding in plain sight. But only for those who enter with eyes open wide. So are you ready to get your hands dirty? Or were you just dreaming about the quarters rolling in?